Alright guys, wish me luck, I'm going in. Going in. Yeah. Jesus Christ, it sucks out here. Jesus Christ, it sucks. It's fucking nuts. Why am I doing this? Oh, I know, because I'm a fucking idiot. Claw's been by recently. That's good. That's good. There goes the light over there. My parents' cars. There's my house. Beautiful house. Can't see shit this time of day, but probably can't even hear me. So fucking windy. Excuse me for my French, but I need to get better at being worse at French. But yeah. I'm just gonna cut the video here. This sucks out here. I'm gonna fucking go inside now. Bye. Peace.